Pravalika and Pratyusha, you are not answering anything. Please unmute. And Girish ji, what you do? Girish ji, what you do?
Yeah, no questions, ma'am.
Yeah, can you on your video, switch on your video, and Pratyusha? Girish ji? Yes. So always remember that what I have told you, always be in plus. Jo bhi chahiye, whatever you want, just be in plus. But you can be in plus only by the positive thought frequency that you are creating in your mind. Everything is controlled by the mind. Use your mind power. Pratyusha, you can keep your video on. Yes, you can keep your video on. Everyone, please keep your videos on, because that will create something which I can see your faces and I can understand what exactly you guys want. So now we will do a meditation which will help you to realize that all that which you have created till now in your life, all the success that you have got in your life, it can be a small success, it can be a big success. It's only and only and only and only because of you, and no one else is responsible for that. And all the failures that you have got is only and only and only because of you. And how we can tune into that plus frequency, into that frequency of universe, the abundance frequency. By using this technique, you can turn on your mind, you can turn on the positive frequencies, you can turn on everything, and you can achieve whatever you want. It will keep you self motivated. Sorry, there was a call. We will go through a short meditation. So everyone, now wherever you are, just close your eyes. This is a self realization exercise that I will be doing, which will help you to realize that all the power lies within you. So everyone, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Just sit in a relaxed position. Wherever you are, just relax. While inhaling, take the white color energy. Visualize the white color energy is going from your nose inside your body. This white color energy is the positive energy of the universe. This positive energy of the universe, as you inhale, is going in each and every body part. It's going in each and every cell of your body. And wherever in your body you are feeling the stress and tension, you have to release it. While exhaling, you can exhale it from your mouth and release out all the black color energies. Visualize as you exhale from your mouth, exhale out from your mouth all the stress, tension, worry, all the things that are going on right now in your life, which are not allowing you to become happy and peaceful. Take a deep breath, inhale white color energy and exhale out black color energy. Inhale white color energy and exhale out black color energy. Inhale and exhale. And now go back into your childhood. Go back in your childhood. All the successful memories that you have achieved, all the success,
that you have achieved from your childhood till now. Remember your childhood, all the success that you have achieved in your childhood, in your studies, when you had thought that I'm going to achieve it, you worked hard for that, you made a goal, you had that success attitude inside you. When you achieved that, see yourself, all the small successes that you have got in your childhood, in your teenage, till today's present age, all that you have achieved. Remember all the successful memories, how you achieved it, what was your attitude while achieving it, what you thought in your mind, what was the self talk, what was the self talk, what you said to yourself, what you visualized about yourself, what was your success pattern, what all you did in reality, what was your attitude. Just remember that how you became successful. There was something that you did inside your mind. Either you visualized, either you said positive to yourself, either you made a strong intent, either you made a strong decision. And no matter obstacles came, but you became successful in that. Remember all the success stories and how you became successful. That is your success pattern. That is the thing that if you do, you will become successful in future. That's how you become successful in life. Just remember all the success stories. Just look inside and now keep on thinking what all you did, what was your success pattern at that time, what you thought, what you said to yourself when you achieved that success, how you motivated yourself, what was the attitude, what all qualities and skills that you used inside you which made you successful. Keep on thinking about it and visualize using all that positive thought patterns, all that positive energy. You became successful. All the things that you achieved, visualize. When you achieved it, how happy you were at that time. Go back into your past, into your success stories, and see how happy you were at that time when you achieved those success. When you achieved that success, you felt satisfied. You felt proud of your own self. You felt so happy. Your efforts paid you and you became successful. Feel the happiness inside you of that success. Feel the happiness. Feel the happiness of that success as if it was happening right now. Everyone, your friends, your family members, and everyone was appreciating you at that time when you achieved success. You felt so much satisfied inside. Feel that happiness. You felt proud about your own self. Say thank you to your own self for creating that positive pattern, for achieving that success. Say thank you to your own self. Keep your hand on your heart. Today is the day to thank yourself to appreciate yourself for all the efforts that you have put, to acknowledge, to accept that you have that success power inside you. You have that Samruddha power inside you. You have that divine power inside you, which can make anything and everything possible. Say thank you to your own self. Keep on saying thank you and appreciating yourself for whatever you have achieved till now, because you have that power inside you. You have that unlimited potential, that unlimited power inside you. And that's why you became successful. And that's why universe helped you, because and only because you created that situation in your life through the power of your thoughts. Congratulate your own self. And now visualize. Come into the present day of your life. And now visualize what all dreams, what is your yearly goal, whatever is your short term goal, just visualize. Whatever is your short term goal, whatever, how much ever money you want, whatever business target you have that you want to achieve in your business, whatever is your dream that you really want from inside, you are using the same success pattern which you used in your past, which you had used in your past, and you are becoming successful in that particular situation. You are achieving that in your future. Visualize there is a screen in front of you, a golden screen, and in that golden screen, just visualize whatever you want to achieve, how much ever money you want, what kind of business you want, what kind of success you want. Visualize you have already achieved that using the same thought pattern, using the same success pattern which you used in your past. And see yourself, your divine is blessing you. Whoever you worship, your God, Guru, whoever is your divine, just visualize golden energy is falling on your head from the universe, from the sky. The golden energy is falling on your crown, on top of the head. This golden energy is the positive frequency of the universe, which you are now taking inside the divine power, which you are taking inside your body and mind to make things successful, to achieve success in your future goals. This golden energy is now flowing in each and every cell of your body. It has gone in each and every part of your body, filling your body completely with the golden energy of the universe, the golden energy of success. You are now in a golden energy of success. You are now in the circle of success. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you will become successful now. Because now you are tuned into the positive success pattern. You are tuned into the success power that is already there inside you. You are going to use all the success patterns which you had used in your past to become successful in your future goals, to achieve all the goals, and everything and anything is possible for you. You can make things possible by tuning into the frequency of universe and see yourself. You are celebrating the success of your achievements in your future. Your business, your goals are achieved. You are celebrating the success. Visualize you are throwing a success party. Visualize you are throwing a success party. You are celebrating the success. Whatever you want, you have achieved it now. You are celebrating the success with your family, friends, everyone around you is appreciating you. You are feeling proud of your own self. Congratulate your own self today for achieving it as if you have already achieved it. Feel the success of that. See yourself, feel the happiness in each and every cell of your body. See how happy you are and how much your confidence has boosted in your life. Your friends, your family members are appreciating you, and you are feeling proud of your own self that everything is possible for me. Nothing is impossible for me. I can achieve everything in life. Say thank you to your own self. Express love and gratitude to your own self. And slowly you can open your eyes. Everyone can open their eyes and just sit in silence. You can put on your video. You can just put on your video. How you are feeling and what you felt during the session. Please share your experiences, how you felt, what all realizations you got. Yes, Girish, Girish Dutt, can you just share? Can you unmute? Can you just put your video on? Girish Dutt, are you there? Yes. So you can say, no, I want an audio. I don't want on chat. How you felt? Just tell me that. I don't want a chat. Please share your experience on audio. Yes, sir. Yes, tell me how you're feeling.
Full of positive energy.
Yes. So what all you realized during the session? Like when the session was going on, what was the inner realization that was coming to you?
And importance of subconscious mind.
Okay. And all the success that you have got in your past, all the success you have achieved in your past, all the things that you have created that. No one else created that. By the power of your success power that you already have inside you, you created that success. The thoughts that you thought at that time, the patterns that you use, the attitude that you used at that time to become successful, all those patterns are your success patterns. कुछ तो ऐसा आपने किया है, something you have done which made you successful. So whatever goals you are achieving in your future, again you have to use the same success patterns at that time.
That will be useful.
Your mind is programmed. Yeah, that will be useful. So whenever you are doing any task, whenever you are doing something and you are feeling that this is not going to be possible, at that time remember what you did in your past to become successful, how you created the success, and same success patterns you have to use it. So when you tune into that frequency of success in your past, your mind will get a reference and your mind will not go into doubt, and mind will tune into the plus frequency of the universe,
that yes, I can do it. Because when you say inside, automatically universe will start working for you, because universe is following you. You are not following universe. The universe is following you. It only depends on us how we tune into the frequency of the universe.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a very, very simple technique which you can use in your future. Yes. Girish sir, yes, tell me how you're feeling after the session. What all realization you got?
Yeah, I'm feeling better, ma'am. It is somewhat helpful for my mindset.
Yeah. What all you realized while you're doing meditation?
It is better for us to greet ourselves in every issue,
Hmm.
to develop our positive attitude.
Okay. And yes, one more thing. Please share your success pattern. What was your success pattern? How you achieved all those things? What was the attitude? What you used to tell yourself when you achieved all the success? How you became successful? What you did at that time? Please share that.
Uh, Nothing much special. Special nothing is there as my success, ma'am. Just I had got a good name as poet in my childhood.
Hmm. So it's not
That is,
nothing is good. So that is your success story. You have to say it positively. We all have success stories. Unless and until you congratulate yourself, you appreciate yourself for that, you will not become successful, because you are not acknowledging that you were successful.
okay.
So now when you want to achieve higher goals, if you don't appreciate yourself, you won't be able to achieve the higher goals. So no success is small or big. It is
Okay.
success. Always remember that it is a success.
Okay.
You have achieved it, right? So acknowledge that I have
Yes.
achieved it and congratulate yourself for that. It is not, no
Okay.
success is small or big. I'm just trying to tell you that it can be a small appreciation that you got in the class while in your school for a small unit test. That is also success.
Yes.
How you created it, I'm just helping you to realize that the way you created you, the way you became a good poet, whatever you said right now, is the
Yes.
same patterns, the same things you can use it to become successful in your other areas of life.
Okay.
So how you became successful in doing that? Tell me that. What you did at that time?
Actually, I'm most interested in Telugu. My native language is Telugu. I'm interested in
Okay.
poetry of that language. My Telugu teacher used to
Okay.
help me a lot. Used to tell me new words each and every day. I developed
Okay.
my knowledge on this my mother tongue, and started writing some
Okay.
small samples. And my
Okay. So you
teacher
started with
used,
small. Hmm.
yeah, my teacher used to guide me each and every second. Actually, my teacher's inspiration made me successful in that issue.
Okay. Okay. But
And
ultimately you did it, right?
yes,
Even if the teacher inspired you and you did not had taken the decision to do it, you did not had put the hard work, you did not give you, if
yes,
you wouldn't had given that time to upgrade your knowledge or to upgrade your skill that you already had, then you wouldn't have been successful in that. So you
yes,
should give credit to yourself. You did that.
yes.
Even if you got the
And
support, but you created.
yeah, one more main thing is I'm success in having my rebirth. To be frank, it's exactly my rebirth. In 2008, I met with another accident. I had been unconscious for 1 month and unable to recognize who
Okay.
am I for 1 more month. Total
Okay.
right side body became disabled.
Oh God.
Even though in that time, my principal by that time, while pursuing BTech, I had some bike accident and suffered with these all issues. But at the time,
Okay.
my principals are gave me great moral support. I
Okay.
can't
Okay.
forget
Great.
him
Great.
in forever in my life. Then
Okay. Okay.
by the time I'm unable to use my right hand, unable to write anything. I'm missing my academic record. Then my sir identified that I'm going to depression, and he motivated me a lot.
Huh.
You're having so much of willpower. You can be an ambidextrous. Try to do something with left hand. Then I started using my left hand for writing. Right now I am ambidextrous. As I am
Okay.
recovered completely, I am able to write with both the hands.
Oh wow, great.
As my
That's
right
amazing.
hand total right side body became inactive, it took overall 3 years
Okay.
for me to recover. Physical recovery took three
Okay.
years of time. It's due to brain clot
So
remaining on brain inside the brain left side.
okay, okay.
In general, if you might be known about, you might know about this. If we have injury for brain on left side, we will be suffering with total right side body will be disturbed. And if we had an injury on right side of head, total left side body will be suffering a bit. In such manner, I had an injury on left side and total right side body became inactive.
Okay,
The
okay,
clot
okay.
cleared after
But
3 years.
oh God.
Those 3 years I suffered a lot. But each and every day, and initially I was in depression after psychological recovery. But my principal sir and other friends, each and everyone guided me a lot, gave me good support. And right now I am feeling proud for having my rebirth. Really, by that time, doctor said that it was almost all brain dead case. He cannot be alive anymore.
Okay.
From that situation, I got back into my normal life. Overall, it took around 6 years for me to be normal as before.
Okay. So
It's
so
a
you are
great
already
success.
a winner. That means
It is my big
so that
win,
yeah.
big success,
Yes.
to be frank.
Yeah, it's your big success. That's what is your success. You have to share this
Yes,
success story like very, very proudly, and you can inspire people from this success story, because this is a success story. You can inspire thousands of people, lakhs of people through your success story, that how you came out of it and now how you are doing things. By the way, what you do right now?
present I am working in AIMS of Andhra Pradesh procurement department.
You're working in which department?
Procurement. I
Okay.
mean,
So now you are
buying
able to use
items,
both the
material
hands.
equipment. Yes, for each and every task, any kind of task is maybe not only for regarding writing. In any case, I am able to use both the hands.
Okay, and legs also. The whole
Everything
body
fine.
is like normal
Yeah,
now.
actually, leg was recovered within 6 months due to severe walking
Okay.
practice. Hand recovery
Okay.
took lots of time, nearly 3 years. First elbow movement, further slowly, part by part movement.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Severe
Very slowly.
physiotherapy.
Very slowly. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Daily I used to be doing physiotherapy exercises for 4 hours per day.
My God.
That severe workout with motivation, I recovered finally. Now I am fine, able to do
Wow. That's a
anything.
great success story. That is a great success story.
Yeah.
Did you like, you have to share it with so many people, that how you became successful, how you came out of that? That's a great success story. It's very, very, it's very, very life turning, and it's very, very painful, as well as it's a victorious story of your life. Please share with as many people as you can, because now you are going to inspire more and more people, because the situation that happened in your life, it just did not came to teach you the potential. It helped you to bring out that potential inside you, which you also didn't know about yourself,
Yes.
because it was so difficult, and at that time you did it. So the potential that has come out right now is so much big that you also didn't know about it. So you have
Yes.
to share the success story with people around you, and you
Sure.
have to inspire them, that the way you have achieved the success, you have to inspire them to achieve success like you, through your
Sure.
poems.
Yes.
Through your poems you can help people to become successful. Through your writings, through your books, you can also write a book on your life. that will be your more amplified success. That time you will be revealing to the world how you faced those 3 years, 6 years. What was the attitude that you carried at that time?
Yes.
Yeah. So yes, definitely you are successful. We all are already successful. Yes, sir. Now I'm going to end the session. I actually forgot your name. What's your name?
Girish.
Not you, sir. Sir from Raigad.
Vijay Kulkarni.
Vijay Kulkarni. Okay.
Yeah.
You have shared your number, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So we are going to end. If you want, you can leave.
Yeah,
I will just end the meeting in 5 minutes.
Okay. I have an appointment with doctor at 8 p.m.
No problem. You can leave for the appointment. Thanks for joining. And
Okay.
so this training program is all about achieving success in your finances, in bringing about a change in your business, and fulfilling your dreams and goals through the power of subconscious. So today was just the pre-session, but in the training program, I am going to teach how you can tune to the universal frequencies and how you can achieve the things which are impossible for you. Right now, you all guys have achieved success in your life, but now you want to go to the next level. So how you can
Yes,
use
sir.
the power of mind, how you can use the universal power, how you can bring the universal power in your life to become successful in your business and to become rich and to become financially more and more stable. For people who are not doing anything, for them it is stable. For people you like, people both of you, you are earning and you are doing good, how you can move to the next level of your finance.
Okay.
So there will be many clients attraction techniques, business improving techniques, money attraction techniques. There will be many techniques to release the mind blocks, the barriers, and it is a 10-day process. 10-day process. It will be for 1 hour, and it will be mostly conducted in morning. Okay. And after that, there will be a 21 days follow-up session. With the 21 days follow-up session, the techniques which I will be teaching you, I will be teaching you short meditations, mind programming techniques, which you can put it in your phone as an alarm. And then once the 21 days, the process is complete, this 21 days will program your mind as such. You will tune into the universal frequency very easily. And whatever you ask, the universe will give you. And after that, there will be business meeting. So every week after the course is completed for 1 month, there will be business meetings. In the business meetings, you can share about your skills, talent, business, whatever you do, and people on that platform will support you. If you are having a particular problem in your business, people will support you. They will give you leads and references. Every week we will be meeting and we will be sharing the circle of what everyone is doing, and we all will be supporting each other as a family. So there are people in our group who want to start their business and they have gone internationally. There are people who are doing something for free and they have started charging for it. There are people who are not doing their business, who are not starting their business since 4 to 5 years. They were doing job and they were not getting that confidence to start their business. Those people started their business. So that's how the people are progressing in the previous batches. And I invite everyone of you who want to go to the next level of your life to join this training program. I will be sharing the details of that. And the fees for this is only and only 1500. Right now, the fees is only 1500. It's a discounted price which I've kept. So please take advantage of that. And it will be a complete 1 month. Once you start the training, miracles will start happening in your life. Already you are a source of miracle. Already you are a source of power. But now I'm going to teach you how you can tune into that power more and more every day, every moment. Okay. Yes. So yes, sir. Vijay, sir, you can leave if you are in a hurry. I'll just talk to Prashanti and then I will end this meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thanks for joining. I will
Okay,
be
thank you,
putting
ma'am.
up the details in the group. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you.
Prashanti, where are you? Prashanti, you joined late. And this meeting is arranged by Prashanti. She is the one who has spread all the messages to everyone. From everyone, I am saying thanks to Prashanti because she has spread this wonderful messages by just one call. We just spoke and she told me, yes, ma'am. And she proactively did it. And I'm really grateful to her. Because of her, I was able to spread this message of today to all those people and help more and more people to become successful and rich. So my heartfelt gratitude to Prashanti. But she joined late. You missed the meditation, today's meditation you missed. Your audio is mute. Prashanti, you are mute. On mute. Please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
You joined just now. You did the meditation. You
No,
did.
ma'am. It's not possible, ma'am, because of now itself I'm doing my office work. That's why I joined late.
Okay. Okay. No problem. I will be putting up the recording for this in the group. And yes, your friends have joined proactively, positively. And now I don't know how many people will be joining, but yes, this training will change your life. I can assure you.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
can assure you everything that you want, you can achieve this. So yes,
Okay.
Girish sir, you want to say anything? Girish sir, you want to say anything? You did not share your experience, how you felt in the session. Okay. So I think you are already there in the group. Girish, that is already there in the group. I will be putting up the recording of the meditation also, so that you can just again go through that. And all those people who want to join, we will be starting this English batch once you all confirm how many people are joining. Okay. And Prashanti, if there are people who are still, you know, some people and they are suffering, then please let me know. You can send their contact details also. If there are more people, I can put up one more free session for them.
Yeah, okay, ma'am,
So
definitely.
thank you. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much for doing that for me as well as others. This will be a great contribution from you to others.
Yeah, okay, ma'am,
Okay.
no problem.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay,
Chalo, bye
ma'am.
bye. Take care.
Bye.
Have a good night. Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay. Yeah.
Thank you.